Welcome to Dandy Zoo. Today we're jumping in the magic color pool. What color will they be? Let's find out. The little lamb jumps in. Splash! What color is the lamb? Red. The lamb is red.
The magic color pool.
The little duckling jumps in.
What color are you? Red and yellow, blue and green.
Yellow.
The prettiest
The
colors you've
duckling
ever
is
seen.
yellow.
Jump in the pool, the magic color pool.
The little bunny jumps
What color are
in.
you?
Blue. What color is the bunny? Blue.
Splash, splish, what color are you?
The little kitten jumps in. Splash! What color is the kitten? The kitten is green. The little puppy jumps in. Splash! What color is the puppy? Purple. The puppy is purple. The little piglet jumps in. Splash! What color is the piglet? Orange. The piglet is orange. Red, yellow, blue, green, purple, and orange.